Today I'm making banana bread with a salted peanut streusel. This is about the third time I've made it, and now we're videoing it, and you're gonna love it. We certainly do. So let's get started on Darlene's table. I'll start by making the peanut streusel. That'll be dark brown sugar, a dash of salt, a 1/4 cup of flour. Now I'm gonna mix this up real well. Yeah. A little hard piece. That's one of the reasons I do it with my hands. All right, now I'm going to add the peanuts. There's a 1/4 cup of peanuts. Mix this. And butter, melted butter. Now it's starting to look like a streusel, isn't it? All right, now I'm gonna pop this in the freezer to chill while I make the banana bread. Right, so here we go. This is the flour. I'm going to add the salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Give this a whisk. Move it to the side. Now I'm going to mash the bananas. I'll wait till the last minute to do the bananas. Yes, I'm using a paper plate. I'm lazy at washing dishes. If I can use a paper plate for something, I will. All right, get a little of that off. So, nice, ripe bananas. The riper they are, the better flavor your banana bread will have. So, just mash with a fork. But I'm gonna mash these, really mash them. Just keep mashing until they almost get a little liquidy. It's about 1.5 cups of mashed bananas is what we want. See how that's starting to get a little liquid. There we go, that's great. All right. Put this, see how much more I need. That is not quite a cup. So I'm going to do the other two as well. All right. 1.5 cups of mashed bananas, got a little more. I hate it when a recipe says on bananas, 3 large bananas. Well, 3 large bananas can be quite different to different people. So, there we go, 1.5 cups of bananas. I'm gonna put the bananas in this bowl. I'm going to add the dark brown sugar and the white sugar. Let me get this mixed up well, and then I'll add the eggs and the butter. Now to this, I'm going to add the 2 eggs, a little vanilla, and the melted butter. More melted butter. back with my flour. Okay, now we're going to add the liquid to the flour. I want to be sure to get all of this out. Now is a good time to like and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you will be notified when the next video comes out. Now, bowl out. Now I have just sprayed with like Pam, and then I put some parchment paper in here so that when I'm ready to take it out, I can just lift it by these sides, all right? So, it's gonna be so good. I want to be sure to get all of this batter in here. And not on the side. Now I had the peanut streusel chilling in the freezer. Now I'm gonna break it back up. And this will go across the top. Oh, it's so good. Every little bit of it. There we go. All right, got the peanut streusel on top. Now into the oven at 350 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes. At that point, you'll check it with a toothpick to make sure it's done in the center. Oh, and yes, it's ready. Now cool on the rack in the pan for 10 minutes. Then remove using the parchment overhang and let it cool completely on the wire rack. This banana bread is very good with a lot of banana flavor and very moist, just as you would expect. But what sets this bread apart and elevates it to another level is the salted peanut streusel on top of the bread. The salty crunch of peanuts and the sweetness of the streusel with the banana bread, pure magic. You know I'm a Texas girl and I love my pecans. I'm here to tell you peanuts are winning my heart lately with the Georgia peanut pie I made earlier and now this. I know you're going to love this recipe and I hope you give it a try soon. Well, it's time to get back in the kitchen and get ready for the next video. So bye for now, God bless, and come back for more goodness right here on Darlene's Table.